My girlfriend just left for Asia for 3 months, which leaves me with a lot of spare time. With unsuccessful startups in my portfolio, I think it's time to log in. Having unsuccessful startups makes me mad. And as Shaq put it,
at some point you gotta get mad. And when you get mad, that's when I think all your dreams will come true. You only got one shot. Make them know your name.
that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I have 3 missions in mind that I'll be grinding on for the next 3 months. Mission 1 is monetize Stocker. And Stocker is one of my current startups, which is currently for free. But this startup actually has a lot of active users, and I think it provides a lot of value to them, including me. And that's why I think monetizing this startup would make great sense. Mission number 2 is to make YouTube Shorts using the Zoink and Twist method. And what is the Zoink and Twist method? People take some content, then they copy the content and change it by 5-10% so it has your unique take on it. I already have a niche in mind, but we'll get back to that. Mission 3 is a project that will help me complete Mission 2 more easily in the future, but stick around to learn more about that. Even though my previous startups did not turn out to be huge successful companies, they still managed to make money. And out of 2 monetized projects in my portfolio, only one of them made money, and it turned out to be around $70.56. This proves to me that I'm able to make something that people are willing to pay for. It started back in November 2024, where I had an idea to summarize messages in Slack using AI. I built some very cool features and it worked perfectly fine. I was able to summarize everything. But one day I got some heartbreaking news from Slack. They put a rate limit on Slack bots outside of their marketplace, so they were no longer able to fetch the conversation history. And my Slack bot was relying solely on this part of the Slack API, so that essentially deemed my whole startup unfunctional. And that's where my focus changed to Stocker, which leads us directly to mission number 1. For those of you who do not know what Stocker is, it's a tool for people who have stocks across multiple platforms to get an overview of your total portfolio value in one place. With Stocker, you're able to track your portfolio change throughout the day live, and it also has live currency exchange rates. The reason why I also choose to focus more on Stocker is also because of the good feedback I have received from users. People reaching out to me saying how much they like the product is a good indication for me as well that this has a great product market fit. So what is my game plan to actually monetizing Stocker? Right now I have in mind to implement a one-time payment of $19 for users, and the current users of the product will be able to just have it for free because they were my initial users, but I will make a pop-up for them encouraging them to invite more users in the hopes of having some growth. So this is the before. This is the after, and this is how it looks now. Now we have a little demo video, and then we have here where you can pay. Before, you were just able to go in, continue with email, Google, whatever, and then you would get created. But now you can't just log in, now you have to pay before. So if we go in here and do a payment, type in our email, fake credit card, then we get this message. And then if we go to our email, like that, then we will have an email from Stocker where we'll be able to create an account. We press create account, then we press continue with Google. Then I continue with the mail I just used to pay with, and now I'm logged in, and now I can start adding stocks like Apple, for example. I'll add it to my portfolio like that, and now I can view it in my portfolio. Now it is fully made paid. Along with making it paid, I have also gone ahead and made some SEO. As you can see, it has worked out pretty well so far, but this should hopefully rank my site higher on Google in the future. So that's basically it for mission number 1. In the next video, I will continue on mission 2 and 3, and I promise to share with you what project 3 would be. Right now, I have a demo of a tool where I'm just able to upload a script and then it fully edits a video for me. So I will try to make some YouTube shorts and then perfect this tool so that in the future I don't have to edit the videos myself, I just have to make the script. If you found this video interesting, stay tuned for the next one.